Alright, folks, it's Javi here, and I'm back with another episode of Fishing in the City. And it is Friday evening, and I just got back from the Olive Garden with dinner with my wife. So, I just got back, and there's a full moon out, so y'all know what time it is. I'm gonna grab some poles, which you probably can't see, and we're gonna get to the water real quick. So, stay with me, be right back. Alright, folks, pulling up to my spot, and we have a full moon. So, I'm going to get out here and see if I can get a couple bass. I got a spinner bait with this big, like a not willow leaf, I don't know what it is. It's a Terminator, but these are old. I got this bait in an old box that my mom bought from a garage sale. So, and it works. I've caught fish on these spinner baits. I got a bunch of them, so. So we're gonna make the first cast along this bush line right here. You know, a lot of times you wanna walk up like you're hunting. You wanna be quiet and, you know, try not to scare nothing. Even animals that could be on the bank, you know, they jump in the water and scare everything. Alright, folks, we're being really quiet through here. Because I don't want to scare no fish. That might potentially be my next personal best. We got one, folks. Nighttime fishing on the spinnerbait. Red and black with the gold. Sorry, little buddy. Hope it was painless. His belly's full of little bait. Look at that. That full little belly. It's Friday night, y'all. I just got back from dinner with my wife. And I had to run out here because of the full moon and see if I can catch some bass. And we got one in the boat. Alright, folks. We're going to get this fish back in the water and let him get back to what he was doing. See if we can catch some more. Got one, folks. Got it. Oh, they got some teeth on them. That's another one here on this beautiful Friday night. It's just perfect weather. You just gotta trigger them to bite, man. Oh, this one smells good. Oh, I'm sorry, that hurt, I know it. Alright, folks, there's another little 2-pounder, I guess, 1-pounder probably. Oh, yeah, real fishy. Alright, folks, it's just a good time out here tonight with this full moon. We got this red and orange spinnerbait just reeling hard. You know, I know y'all hear it. So I'm cranking it on top. Cranking it on top and making waves. And they're chasing it down. So I think I might have got them feeding. And it's a good thing. I'm going to go ahead and get this guy back in the water. Looking for that giant. Looking for giant. Big giant. Looking for big mama. Hiya. Oh, swing! And I got him. Oh, he's a big one. Oh yeah, he's a big one. He's a roller. He's a roller, folks. I almost think it's a catfish, but it's not. It's a beast. Look at that. Look at that. My new personal best. Like I said, there he is. Oh, he's a beast. Oh my. Oh my, folks. Look at that beast. Up. Alright, folks. We're gonna get this official weight on him real quick. And we have 6.5 pounds. I need to get this guy some water, y'all. Sorry, buddy. Gotta get this big girl. Oh, she's ready to go. Alright, folks, I'm gonna put him up next to my size 10.5 boot, like I always do, and let y'all get a good look at it. It's the best I can do with the light. I hope y'all see him. 6.5 pounds. That's good. I mean, he's probably, I don't know if he's my personal best, but he's definitely close. There he is. That's what I'm out here for. 7 pounds, 6.5, 7. You know, this, I think it's 6.5. This BOGO scale is a little harder to read, but I don't know. It's great. And we're gonna let him go. I think he's good to go. There she goes. Yes. Yes. That's what it's about, folks. That's what I'm here for. I love it. Every day I go to work, I bust my butt at work, and you know, I come out here and grind after work. I got rods and screws in my back, hurting in pain, and I'm still grinding it out, folks. So get out there, grind it out, folks, and you're gonna catch them big ones, them beasts. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We're gonna fish some more. So, and if not, like, comment, subscribe, and holla at your boy. Hook in the finger never feels good. Golly, started pouring instantly. It's just a prick, a straight point into the finger. That's it. Bleeding pretty bad. I'm trying to get it to stop bleeding by see, the blood will stop it from bleeding. It was bleeding bad, it wouldn't stop, but I let it just bleed and the blood dried it up, and now it stopped. Alright, folks, enough crying like a baby.